How to add a CName record in CloudFlare. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily add a CName record in CloudFlare. So first thing, just head over to your cloudflare.com from any browser and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you will be redirected to your homepage. And under this homepage, at the left of your navigation bar, just click on this drop down menu under this domain registration and just select this option, first option, that is manage domains. Just click on that. But once you click on that, you should see all of your registered domain over here, and you can just tap on this manage section or manage button over here and just tap on that. Once you tap on that, you should be heading over to this page, and under this quick action section, just tap on this update DNS configuration. So simply select that link, and from over here you should be redirected to this page where you can simply tap on this add record button over here. And once you tap on that, you just have to fill out all of these details accordingly, such as your name for your root and your hosting provider or your any setup provider, for example hosting provider. And once you select all of those, just click on save from the bottom right corner, and just like that, you have successfully added your CName record onto your Cloudflare. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.